Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Warda Latifah and now I will tell you about effective vocabulary interaction for English learners. Let me show the image. The image provides a comprehensive guide on how to effectively teach vocabulary to English language learners. Let's break down each element. 1. Teach vocabulary words across content areas. This means teaching vocabulary not only in one subject, but in all subjects being studied. Example, when learning history, students learn not only words like war and revolution, but also words related to time, place, and people involved in historical events. 2. Teach word learning strategies, context clues, word part, and cognitives. This involves teaching students strategies to figure out the meaning of new words, such as looking at the word around in its context clues, breaking the word into small parts, or finding similar words in their native language. Example, if a student encounters the word unbelievable, they can look at other words in the sentence to understand its meaning. They can also break the word into un or not and believable to understand the overall meaning. Number 3, reinforce learning through multiple exposure. This means repeating vocabulary that has already been taught in various opportunities and contexts. After teaching the word happy, the teacher can use the word in various activities such as singing, song, playing games, or reading stories. Number 4, teach general academic word and domain-specific word. This involves teaching academic vocabulary commonly used in reading text and specific vocabulary related to particular fields of study. In science class, students will learn words like experiment, hypothesis, and conclusion. 5. Make learning fun. Incorporate word games, karaoke, or exactly. This means making vocabulary learning enjoyable through word games, quizzing games, and other active student involvement activities. Example, games like hangman or charades can be used to practice vocabulary in a fun way. 6. Teach vocabulary during core interaction and intervention. This means integrating vocabulary learning into daily teaching, but during core interaction and when providing additional support to students who need it. Example, while teaching mathematics, the teacher can teach vocabulary such as sum, difference, and product. Connect vocabulary to else prior knowledge. This means linking the new vocabulary to words students already know. Example, if students already know the word house, the teacher can teach words related to parts of a house, such as kitchen and bedroom. Teach vocabulary in meaningful contexts, such as real-life situation or stories. This means teaching vocabulary in real and relevant context for students. The example, to teach food vocabulary, the teacher can create a story about going to a restaurant or market. 9. Use teach research, e.g. vocabulary.com, Kahoot. This means using technology to assist in vocabulary learning, such as using vocabulary learning apps or website. Example, apps like Kahoot can be used to create interactive and fun vocabulary quiz. 10. Use visual, graphic organizer, and bilingual dictionaries to help else understand the meaning of words. This means using picture, diagram, and bilingual dictionaries to help students understand the meaning of new words. The example, the teacher can show a picture on an apple while explaining the word apple in English and the student native language. 11. Teach 5 to 8 words across several days. This means teaching a small number of words each day and reviewing them regularly. 12. Cultivate word awareness through reading and word studies. This means countering students to read actively and independently study words to expand their vocabulary. The example, the teacher can ask students to make a list of new words they find while reading and look up their meaning in a dictionary. By implementing the strategies, teacher can help students build a strong vocabulary and improve their overall language skill. 13. Provide student-friendly definition. Explanation. Ensure that definition you provide are clear, concise, and easy to understand for English language learners. Avoid using complex language or jargon. The example, instead of defining courage as having a strong desire to know or learn something, you could say courage means waiting to know more about something. 14. Encourage else to use words in writing and speaking vocabulary journals, things, pair, and share. Explanation create opportunities for students to practice using new vocabulary in both written and spoken English. This will help them solidify their understanding and improve their fluency. Examples: vocabulary journal have students write sentences of short stories using the new vocabulary words they have learned. Think, pair, and share. Divide students into pair and have them discuss a topic using the new vocabulary. Then have them share their talk with the whole class. That's enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.